Okay, hello, hi, and welcome to my channel, Next. So this is here just arrived, just recently arrived, not much far, okay, of time, okay. So anyway, I'm saying that this is a holder for what do you call the microscope for electronic repairs, okay, for the industrial camera. This is a holder for it. So we're gonna open it, see what about it, okay? And later, when I go back home, we're going to see the mount, this mount, and I will have to go to a place where they sell metals and pipes and things like that to get a suitable, like a bar. I need a bar for it, so tanks not like this. Okay, this is the mount of the mount here. We'll have to go into a rod, and the rod must have something like a rectangular plate, whatever. Okay, so it can sit like this, and the holder is going like this. Okay, so like this and this. Okay, and this. Okay. So we're gonna open it right now. Let's see what's about it. Okay, let's see where the where should the or where the what I mean the place of opening, correct way of opening it. Okay, top side. Let's see top side. Yeah, correct. This has been the correct side. Okay, there's some kind of foam. Okay, white foam. So it is white foam. Okay, that's it. I think it must stay in the box, because I don't have any place to store it, I mean. So there's some kind of, here, see, there's some kind of tape. To do the tape with the blade. Okay. Must leave some place where I can just keep the forms together. Okay, this way. Now this is what we got. Okay. Oh, also no, it's too heavy. Okay. Oh, it's too big. Yep, that's it. This is where I put the zoom eyepiece, if you want to say, or the scope itself. Okay, the microscope. This is where the bar should go. Okay, must be inserted. There should be some kind of screw, yeah. So here I have a screw inside. Okay, where it goes like this. Okay, and yeah, so the screw goes like this in order to put the bar inside it, and then I can raise it up and down as much as I want. I can also, for fine-tuning, okay, see, I can go for fine-tuning like this. So this is awesome, seriously. Okay, I can go as much as I want, and it's completely metal. Sweet. Now I'm just worried this is bigger than the scope that I have. Okay, so it seems that I was given a bigger scope. Okay. It doesn't matter. I can just install anything around it here. Okay, and it just will sit. Or maybe can put a longer screw. Doesn't matter. It works. Just as long as it holds it, and that's it. That's all I need. Okay, so we can just go up and down with it as high as this. Okay, and I can go as low as this much. Okay, sweet. Okay, I must go to the metal shop and see if I can get some kind of a bar like that. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like our channel. Okay, there's another part for this, for you can by which you will be able to see the scope. Okay, microscope. Yeah, bye. Okay, hello, hi, and welcome to my channel, Super Linux. So this is part 2 of the unboxing of the industrial camera mount with the zoom microscope. Okay, for if you want to see and repair electronics. Okay, we're not going to repair this one. This is a PCI card for a fax modem. It just works, but it's old by now. Now I'm gonna see the map on it, the writing on it, but I'm gonna show you how this works. First of all, you have to understand, how the mount works, but first of all, you have to understand that this bar, okay, this rod, a metallic rod, and to make from it as a stand for the mount, this mount, okay, you can just simply get this rod, as we said, this ball, and this board, okay, and make a hole in the board and fasten the rod on it. You don't have to buy one, okay, you don't have to get one from AliExpress, for example, because it's not worth it. Okay, this is worth it. For example, this is the mount itself is worth it. Okay, but the axe or the rods and the board, you can find them in your place. You don't have to import them. Okay, using AliExpress. So now let's start. Okay, so this is the camera. It's already installed. It's like it goes like a screw. Okay, so simply we just put it. Remember, there's an edge here. Okay, so this is the diameter of the hole here is too big. Okay, so let's zoom in. It's like 7 centimeters. This is a 4. The diameter here is 4 centimeters. Okay. So I searched for small screws that can fit in the holes here. Okay, and in a way that it's like the screws will be hitting the edges like here. Okay, so it will sit like here. We fasten the screws on the microscope. Remember to put some tape around the microscope, because I'm using those, if you want to say rough screws, they might scratch the microscope. So put some kind of tape for say, to keep it in good shape. You can have here, there's a screw in the back. Okay, so this screw on the back, you can take it up and down as much as you want. Okay, we don't need that high, it's enough like this. After testing it, I now know how far should I go. Okay, and this here for fine tuning. Okay, So yeah, just to show you from the sides. Okay, so just like can take it like here or here, the same. Then there's the monitor beside me. Okay, going to see the fax modem under the microscope. Now you can get any light. Okay, get any light. There are some dedicated lights for this, LED lights that can sit hanging like here, okay, on the microscope itself, okay. And yeah, I'm gonna turn first the monitor on, okay. So it will tell you there is no signal, okay. I have to first install the cable, PGA cable, and still it will tell you there's nothing, okay. Now I will have to turn on the camera by installing the power adapter, okay. Let's see just first. Okay, now I have to turn on some light on it, shed some light on the card. Because you need the light to light the item, okay, that I'm working with, okay, and at the same time the light will be reflected into the camera. So this is how it will work. See, the board is not actually focused, so what you can do is just mess with the focusing like this, okay. Maybe should decrease the light a little bit. Okay, it's too much this way. And we can just mess with the focusing. You can start seeing okay. This means it needs to go a little bit down, or maybe I can play with the zoom. Okay. Yeah. So. Cool. So you're seeing something now. Yeah, that's it. So I have to play with the focusing. Okay, I can even increase the zoom from the camera. This is something related to the camera more than it's related to the mount. Okay, but I'm just trying to show you how it works completely. I took a maximum zoom. Okay, so let's see. Okay, this is with the maximum zoom, and yeah, let's move the camera a little bit, the card a little bit. Okay, so this is it. So this is where we were. Okay, and this is a little bit of focusing, and we're done. Okay, cool. So yeah, that's it. So I don't want to take longer with this video. See the appearance of what's going on. Okay. So this is it. Okay, that's all you need. Just to shed some light on the item that you want to see in the camera. That's it. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe. The light is coming from the ceiling lamp. Okay, and that's it. So please subscribe and like our channel. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and that's it. Okay, bye bye.